To all the lover guys, welcome back to another episode here on the channel. It is a beautiful Saturday morning here in Samoa. I thought I might as well, because I think it's been a month and a half or maybe 2 months since we uploaded our last farm video, so I thought I might as well do one episode just to see what's going on here on the farm. So today we're just coming to the cattle farm because Thursday we got some new grass for the cow. I'll show you guys there. And me and Siave came to the farm and we started planting it. So today, because we couldn't find the wire strainer back then on Thursday, we were worried the cows might eat the new grass we grew. So today we're coming back just to seal up that block we did. So that we can allow the grass to grow, because the grass is quite running on a bit of a shortage at the moment here at the farm. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we'll definitely catch you guys soon. Alright guys, so you've got our tools here. We've got some tinsel wire here. We've got to the barbed wire there, and then some posts. If you guys could see inside there, I'll show you if I can zoom to some of the grass we planted. So that's one there, one right there, here. That's another one there. I'll show you when we get there, but those were the grass me and Siave were planting on Thursday, and that grass is that Setaria grass. The reason why we brought it, we need to sort of replace or help out with the patiki grass that's currently the cows are feeding. So we're going to seal off this plot starting from here towards that coconut and then there, and then allow the grass in here to grow for the cows, and then hopefully it'll spread towards the cattle farm. And this will help out with the cows. So see the valfefe there, that grass, that thorny grass, it's really doing some damage here in the cattle farm, and it's growing all around. It's hard to kill. Also, this is another plant that's really damaging the cattle farm. So we still have quite a lot of work to do, because we want to clean up everything, just so that we can allow the grass to regrow again. So yeah, but we're gonna just unload the stuff and then we'll get back to you. All right guys, so we finally made it to this far. It's the first line. See on that side, we've hooked it to that tree there, and the line's running across there and coming towards here. And now we're just going to tension it up with this, and then we'll wrap it around this tree, and then repeat that process probably 3 times. Alright, so just taking a break. Not the best fencing job, but don't worry. There's a little bit of slack in the. See, it's still jiggling, but that's not worry because we're going to add posts, 2 or 3 posts on this side and on that side, and then I'll tighten it up a bit, and make it more stronger. So this is just to prevent the cows from eating the grass on this block. But just taking a break now. Starting on the second line, we're only going to do 2 lines for today, and then we'll tension it. But for this one, we're using some leftover wire that we got from the back end there because we overdid it. So I've just connected that on that side, and now we're going to splice the 2 ends with that one coming from there, and that way we save wire instead of, you know, wasting it. Right, so we've got the second wire up in tension now, and that's going across there. So you can see they're running along there and then going towards there. So we're going to splice the ends. If you guys see here, I've already opened this side up. Now I need to open this side up, and then we'll splice them together and then connect it. So we'll get back to you soon. Guys, it's raining now. We've just finished with the posts. Now the kids are tying it up. So as you can see, very nice, intense. Also this one. Oh, it's not too tense, but that's all right. And then we're using these posts here. So you see, just make a bit of a tie wire and tie it towards the posts so that it's nice and flush. And that's sealing off this entire block. So you can see all the way there, added posts. So the top wire is for the big cows, bottom wire is for the small cows. Even though I think a small cow can get through there, but that's fine. They won't eat the grass. Well, I mean this grass. So yeah. So I'm just going to shadow these guys while I've already showed them how to do it. And then we'll see how they carry on. this is the grass here, see? This is the Setaria grass. And we've planted quite a lot in here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they're all scattered in this plot. And you can see that me and Siava planted this on Thursday, and the cows have already came and had a sniff of what this is. So see, this was planted here. We'll actually replant that after. There's one there, here, 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 and there's actually quite a few in the back here, because we were weary the cows would get to those first. So see, and this is where hopefully once this grass grows here, it'll extend into this plot, which we're hoping to get the cows this month. And then while that cows are eating here, we'll hopefully the Setaria grass would grow nice and well here and then spread towards the rest of the cattle farm. May kasyat pala. Yeah. Everyone's got a bit of blood on their hands. Alright, so fingers crossed, this is enough to keep the grass growing for the cows. Just staying ahead. Alright, now so we're just getting the kids to replant the grass that the cows uprooted so that it can grow again. Now if anyone is, you know, planning on giving me a hard time about my fencing skills, to be completely honest with you guys, this is my first time doing cattle fence. So the majority of this cattle fence was done by uncle and my wife's brother Hippie and their grandfather and their uncle, so it's a large cattle farm. This is my little contribution. It's because I want this new grass here to kill the Valfifi. So, and plus this grass here, the Setaria, very high in protein. So that's why I thought I might as well bring it to the cattle farm. Big thanks to the team at the Ministry of Agriculture for providing me with some grass.
Alright guys, so we've just ooh, I'm quite last. We've just resumed the recording again because it was raining. We've been here for about another hour and a half, and it has rained 3 times already, and now it's dry again. We've moved the cattle to this block here, which I'll show you guys afterwards, which is the one next to it, because the grass was quite low on the other block, so might as well move here and let the cows eat here while the other side grows again. But we're just patching up the fence, so I think this was damaged during the strong winds, and we're just doing a quick patch because I think we'll leave the cows overnight here, and I don't want to come back tomorrow on Sunday and find that they're not here. So yeah. Alright, so been clearing up this side on the fence just to see if anywhere else is damaged. I'm just going to push through that side to try and double check that there are no holes in the fence as well. Cows enjoying it. Alright, so we've made it to the corner here. So far it's looking good. It's just that I see tension in the wire, so I don't think there should be too many problems, but we'll just continue on for the sake of going through. Oh, just further down that side. Alright, I need to stop recording so I can help the kids. But yeah, this is the corner of the fin. Jeez. So as you guys can see, the grass here is super green and very well grown. And that's because we've left this for a little over, I think, 4 months? 4 months now. So that's why the grass is so nice. And I really hope the cows enjoy it. I'm just trying to hike. Look at this. I am as tall as the grass. The grass is as tall as me. Mga mirwaya. Oh yeah. Just gonna take a break. Super tired. You know, about 4 days ago, no, Monday this week, I was diagnosed with pneumonia. No joke. And I was really careful, you know. And now, back straight to the farm. Because, you know, you have to come to the farm. As much as you're sick, you can't neglect the farm. So that's why I always try to make an effort to come to the farm. Especially for these guys. Woo! Alright guys, I think we're pretty much done. See Ave and Luso there, just covering the last 100 meters. But I thought I'd come in here just to check the cows again and also just catch my breath. Because I got Ave and Luso to go back to the car and get us the barbed wire roll so that we can repair the fence while I continue cleaning along the fence line so that we can see for any damages. So they're going to continue on another 100 meters. We come through here, which is why I'm waiting here. Yeah, I guess that'll be it for us. Just need to cool off. Alright, the kids are here, so I think we're going to finish up soon and then we'll head home. We've been here at the cattle farm for about 5 hours now, and we're all still wet and then dry and wet and then dry, so we really need to go home, take a shower and get some rest. Just wait for the kids and then we'll head off. Alright guys, so we're going to head off now with the kids. pretty much done for today. I think we did a good job, did a great job. Firstly with the fence right there, moving the cattle to the other plot while we let this plot grow. So I think it's a job well done for today. Alright, so we also got our coconut for tomorrow and some of our tools, the posts, wire. Over there just lubricating the lock because it's seized up a bit. So we just a bit of used oil from our car services. Whenever we service the truck, I save the oil so that we can use it for lubricants around. Alright guys, so we're gonna head off now. See what I pick kapingas him. Adi wa singa lisa. Sa kala alfafa finge hoinga. Wakaila. Wakaila hui wala va there magiyas. I pick you kum singa lisa kael, but I hope you guys have enjoyed the content today. Really do appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to check out our website salmonfarmer.com for merch. We're gonna head off now with the kids, grab something to eat and then rest. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode, but until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, see you guys soon.